Hello, it's Thursday, May the 9th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from UFX Markets. The dollar posted gains versus most of the major currencies as risk aversion once more entered the market. Stock markets in the US closed negative as the Dow declined by minus 0.18% and the Nasdaq fell by minus 0.97%. Crude soared after the shortage in inventories to close at $100.80 a barrel. Gold, however, fell by minus 0.7% to close at $1,537 an ounce. Today, the trade balance is expected at minus 48.6 billion versus minus 48.2 billion previously. And unemployment claims at 424,000 versus 422,000 prior. The euro fell on weakening stocks and rising unemployment in Greece and erased its previous day's gains. German industrial production came out at minus 0.6%, worse than expected, minus 0.1%. Breaking support at 145.70 might fuel a negative trend in the pair. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 145.63 and a high of 146.95. The pound weakened against the dollar after Moody's Investor Service said the UK's credit rating may be at risk if the government fails to meet its debt targets. Despite sterling's decline, however, holding above support around 163.30 keeps the momentum positive for the pair. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 163.46 and a high of 164.50. The yen strengthened across the board on concern about slower US economic growth and the euro region's debt crisis. Final GDP came out at minus 0.9%, worse than expected, minus 0.8%. Breaking support at 79.70 might accelerate weakness in the pair. Overall, the pair traded with a low of 79.68 and a high of 80.27. Finally, the Canadian dollar. This fell after the Fed said the economy slowed in 4 of 12 regions in the US. Breaching strong resistance at 0.9820 might push the pair back to parity. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9737 and a high of 0.9819. Today, trade balance is expected at 0.4 billion. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFX Markets for all your trading needs.